lights, please? They were sore afraid, and the angel said unto them, Fear not, for behold, I bring you tidings of great joy.
God damn. Oh my god, look how good that look. Sorry, recovering from COVID, but yeah, man. That's the sesame chicken recipe we got for the day for my comeback. Yeah, man. All 2024. I'm going crazy this year. Every week, new video. I promise you that. It looks more incredible than I've made anything, I think, on here. But you know what we gotta do. Taste check, of course.
You can barely stand. You're nowhere near my level.
Whew.
I like your hair. I was blind.
That is beautiful for real.
I was celebrating my engagement.
Congratulations.
Which is now broken. You cost me my station and my honor.
That is so good, man.
With your corpse.
Sorry if you hear I'm watching Blue Eye Samurai in the background. But yeah, man, like I said, I'm gonna try to be more consistent this year. Video once a week, if not every other week. We'll see how it go.
You don't want revenge.
But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share it to your friends. I just like cooking. I like sharing it with y'all. Check that out again. I'll see y'all in the next one.